Hey, good morning. So we just woke up and we are on our way to Glymur. There's no falls at the end of it, but it is a waterfall and it is a large one. It's coming in at number 2 and the tallest of all waterfalls in Iceland. Let's check it out. We found ourselves a mighty fine, lovely little trail, and we're walking it. We're gonna go across the bridge, which is just a log with a rope. Sounds dope. What? Check this out. Oh, yeah. Oh, son. This is cool. I'm just realizing this now, but this cave, this stairway right here is actually part of the trail. We could have taken this on the way down. So cool. Another cool little section to this path. Standing on the top of this like sheer cliff face right here. So it's a little scary, but it's so cool. Stuff like this just gives me that rush I need. Last time I stopped to show you where we were, you're right there. Now, all the way up here, we can see the waterfall very well. Awesome. We've made it to a really awesome vantage point. I'm just kind of chilling here, taking it all in. It's hard to photograph or film any of this. We're just enjoying it. Enjoying our last adventurous day here in Iceland. Alright, we have seen what we need to see of good old Glymur Falls. And now we are on our way back down. Gonna go back into Reykjavik, wrap up the road trip, and maybe go to a museum. So we have made it full circle around the ring road, around the West Fjords, all the way back to Reykjavik. And now we are going to the Phallological Museum. Should be pretty fun. Made it.
My dick cost a late night fee. Yo dick got to Asia.
Finally made it to the church here. Look how amazing this is. It's so tall. Got a hot dog from this hot dog stand. It's freaking delicious. If you're in Iceland, make sure you get one of these. Tiny little shop. Man, that's good stuff. We are in Reykjavik again, and I'm about to try the rotten shark and a shot of vodka stuff. Bon appetit. That's tough. That's wonderful. Eat the rest.
What?
I don't think I can eat the rest.
You have to.
Try some. Hey, so we are in the camper van in Reykjavik for the very last time of this trip. Hopefully we'll be back again. But we're just kind of soaking it in. Just had our last meal in here. So we're getting a good night's sleep tonight. Finally, for the very first time of this entire trip. So pretty excited about that. Might walk around camp for a little bit because it is popping here. So Iceland has been amazing for us. It's undescribable in words how much fun we had. I would love to come back here. I love this place so much. Really want to come in the winter because the skiing would be amazing here. The backcountry, everything like that. I mean, there's still snow here right now, so I can't imagine what it's like in the winter. It must be really, really awesome. And there's a lot left to do here in Iceland. We pretty much saw, we saw a lot, but there's still so much undiscovered that we need to see. So until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye. There's our plane. Goodbye, Iceland.
Jumping up and down